Jake Paul just launched his newest business venture called Betr, and today we're going to break it down. Jake Paulers and haters alike, grab some popcorn, maybe a drink, sit back and relax, because I'm telling you guys, this is going to be a good one. Riding on the coattails of his own boxing success, Jake Paul has created a new company called Betr, which he claims is going to be the better sports media company. Now, the company is broken down into two branches, the first being a sports media content company, and the second being a sports betting casino. So let's dive deep into what Jake's bringing to the table. Starting off with the sports media content factory, Jake and his team are aiming to build a newer and better
B-E-T-R better
sports media company. Now they're going to be doing shows, podcasts, social media posts, and so much more, with Jake obviously headlining the whole thing with his newest podcast called BS with Jake Paul. Now, Jake claims that he's so sick and tired of all the billionaires that are currently running the sports media market, and he aims to innovate the entire industry. Now, Jake's plan for this podcast is to interview athletes during their workouts, maybe over a couple of drinks, over a lot of drinks, swearing as much as he wants during his show, and just really asking the questions that the fans really want to know. Which, I gotta say, it would be pretty funny to see some boxers absolutely hammered during an interview. I'm just saying. Now, Jake says that he wants to dive deep into the minds of these athletes, find out who they really are, find out why they want to be the best in their particular sport. I think it's going to be super innovative, super cool, but we'll just have to see how it plays out. Now, on to the second branch, the sports betting casino. Claiming that he turned down $40 million from scammy online casinos to build out this better option, Jake and his team are claiming to bring some real innovative ideas to the world of sports betting. The main feature that Betr's sports betting casino aims to bring is microbetting. Microbetting is a form of betting in which users can bet on basically anything during a game or a match. This means every play, drive, punch, whatever it is, you can bet on it in real time. Now, this isn't the first time that microbetting has been introduced to the sports betting world, but it seems to be a major selling point for Betr, so I'm just interested to see how the users take to it. Now, to make all this happen, Jake raised over $50 million for Betr alongside his co-founder and veteran sports bettor, Joey Levy. And their list of investors is quite impressive, with big names like Florida Funders, Aliyah Capital, Fuel Ventures, 8VC, Travis Scott, Ezekiel Elliott, Des Bryant, Richard Sherman, and Deshaun Jackson, all pouring some cold hard cash into the company. So I'd say it's definitely got some pretty strong backing behind it, and $50 million can take a company a long way if they know how to stretch it out. And Joey Levy, who I assume is going to be behind the business while Jake Paul is the face of the business, is claiming that the funding will be used predominantly for building out the infrastructure around Betr's media business and to support a dedicated customer acquisition budget for the betting side of its business. He also said they're spending far less than expected on deals with market access partners because instead of cold hard cash, they're offering them equity stakes within the company, leaving a lot more capital left over to focus on their infrastructure. Now, to kick things off, Jake is putting out his first podcast episode on August 9th, and the sports betting beta app is set to launch soon after, with the app starting off as a free-to-play experience for all 50 states. And then obviously Betr hopes to convert these free users into paid users as they figure out their monetization plans in the coming months. So that's essentially what you need to know about Jake Paul's newest company, Betr, and I'll make sure to give the app and the platform a try once it comes out in the coming weeks. But with that being said, guys, I'm Brody from Entre, the Web3 Professional Network, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.